tell us what's new with your coordination?
Well, we have right now our community health assessment that is going on. We're surveying in Defiance County. So what that is an assessment that looks at adults and youth and then adults of children. So we send out surveys, they're randomly selected, and we ask things like how your access to a doctor is, what you're eating, if you're exercising, all those sorts of questions so we can see what's going on in Defiance County, and that helps us to decide if there's anything that we collectively with our partners need to adjust within the county.
Is it important to people to fill out these surveys?
It is important for us for people to fill out the surveys. It comes in the mail for the adults and the children, and there is a $2 bill that you get for filling out the survey as a thank you. And it really, like I said, helps us decide what's going on in the county, what we need to address, and lots of different agencies use it to decide what their programming is going to be, what they need to look at, and also funding for what programs we need to instill in Defiance County.
And when do you know the results of the survey?
Well, the survey results will come out this summer, at the end of the summer, early fall. And what we do every time, we do this every 3 years, what we do is we have a community event so that people within the community can come in and see what the data shows and can be a part of that process so that they can help us to know what we need to address and be part of those planning processes.
Tell us about your new campaign.
We have a new campaign that's going, and it's a collaboration between the 4 county health departments being Fulton, Henry, Defiance, and Williams, and the 4 county Adams Board. And what it is it's looking at, it's called For Your Mental Health, the number 4, your mental health, and it's looking at how we maintain mental wellness. So what is mental wellness and how do we do that? How do we keep balance in our lives to make us feeling happy and full? And so our campaign is talking about that furry friends, dogs and cats can help reduce your stress level, and singing can make you happy. So it's all these things that you can do to help maintain your mental wellness and be happy.
Who will benefit from this campaign?
Well, really everybody will benefit. We have things all over. We have stuff in the paper, we have stuff on the radio, we have billboards, and we're actually running an ad in the movie theater as well where you'll see a cute dog and some fun things. You know, right now it's cold and it's snowy, and so kind of start to get those winter blahs and start to feel stressed and anxious. And so some of the things that we can do is, you know, like I said, sing, pet a dog, pet a cat. Take 15 minutes for yourself. Just say, you know what, I need 15 minutes for myself to just kind of relax and regroup. Everybody needs that. It's rough right now. So those are some of the things that we can do.
What is your vision for your event?
Our mission for Defiance County General Health District is to prevent disease and injury, and then also to promote and protect the health and wellness, well-being of Defiance County.
How much of your part is your education?
Education is big within our mission. We want to get out and we want to educate the public on different things that is related to their health. And it might not just be your physical health, but also things like getting out and walking and what the environment looks at. We do a lot within the health district to look at education for our staff, to look at what's going on. And so nowadays we can do a lot of training online, which is great, but we also do go to some conferences just to look at what's going on, and research, reading articles and seeing what's going on. And then what we really look at doing is implementing things that are evidence-based. So they've been proven to make a difference, and that's really important to make sure that we're doing things that we know can make a difference.
Thank you for your time.
Thank you, Austin.
This is Austin Mine reporting with the Defiance Cards Community Club.
Thank you for coming on board as a student sponsor. What are your thoughts on this program?
I think it is a great program, okay? Again, anytime that you can get students out of the classroom and get them, I call it a higher learning or a more engaged learning atmosphere, either out in the business or out in the community, and get them involved in the community. And it really shows and will show off that Defiance really truly is a great place to live.
What other community activities do you support?
Here at the dealership, we have different people that support different things, and they are sponsored by the dealership. We have a person who goes to Rotary. We have another person involved in Zonta. We actually here at the store have 3 volunteer first responders for the Jewel Fire Department, and we also have 2 volunteer firemen for the Jewel Fire Department that come and go whenever they need to during the day.
Thank you for all you do for the community.
You are welcome, and the community is welcome.
Thank you for coming on board as a student sponsor. What are your thoughts on this program?
I think it's a great way for kids like yourself to be able to kind of get a feel for what this type of industry might be like for you, and I think it's a great opportunity.
What other community activities do you support?
We're a big supporter of Youth for Christ. We've been doing that for several years now, so that's one of our main things that we do support. And I know they're doing more things for the veterans here in Defiance County, so we also have been actually just contributed to the veterans program that they're having here pretty soon.
Thank you for all you do for the community.
You're welcome. Thank you.